The 2008 Lincoln MKZ. With sharp angles, sleek lines, and a sculpted body, the Lincoln MKZ has an impressive stance and a dynamic design. Add that to the clean, modern interior with standard features including rich leather, exotic wood, and a sophisticated assistant that responds to the sound of your voice. And you'll see the MKZ offers a new dimension of luxury and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, power driver's seat, power passenger seat, CD changer, dual airbags, alloy wheels, front air conditioning, power steering, anti-theft security system, cruise control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.